Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video is on how to download and install the Monese app on your mobile phone, which is an online banking app. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now, open the App Store or Play Store and search for Monese. You can see the app here, Monese, a banking alternative. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the Open button to open it. You can click on the Next button to get started. Click on the H button to track your activities. Here, the app is ready to use. You can click on the Get Started button to use this application. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.